Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, we're going to do a complete end-to-end Azure Data Engineering project that you can actually practice yourself. This project will help you understand how real data engineers move on-premises data to Azure Cloud, transform it, secure it, and then turn it into valuable insights. By following along, you will get hands-on experience with multiple Azure services, including Azure Data Factory to move on-premises CSV data into the cloud, Logic Apps, and Azure Monitor for reliability and monitoring, GitHub for versioning, Azure Data Lake Gen 2 for storing data in containers, Azure Databricks for data cleaning and transformation, Azure Key Vault and Databricks Secret Scope to keep all your secrets secure, Azure Synapse Analytics to query and analyze the data, and finally Power BI to build interactive dashboards. This project is designed to give you a real-world workflow, the kind of pipeline you work on as a data engineer in an enterprise environment. So, if you are preparing for interviews, certifications, or just want to learn how all these services fit together, this project is for you. In the next part, we will discuss the architecture of this project.